here I'm going to show you how you can use your built-in Windows recording software to record your own screen. 100% free, no need for any downloads or installation or spending time finding the application on the internet. You can do it from the built-in application. So to do that, you go to click on the search box, type in Xbox Game Bar, click on that, or you could go to Windows G. But this tool will only record one application at a time. You cannot record your desktop with this because the record button will not light up. You'll have to select an application like a note, for example, even something as small as a notepad application or the internet browser. You can't record the desktop, just anything but the desktop. So to do that, so here under the capture section, you've got a photograph, which is you can take a screenshot or a still shot. Click on the recording software and that will take a video. So let's click on that, and that is now recording our screen. And I click on, and that's this one over here is the microphone. Turn mic off, on and off while recording. So click on stop now and click on see my captures. You can't see it here, but it would save it into your computer. Open file location. So that would save that under here. I'll save it under videos captures, and my video would be, and your videos would be saved under your videos capture section. So that is how you can easily record your screen and your desktop on your Windows laptop or desktop free of charge. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and comment, and keep posting for more future videos. Thank you so much for watching.